First, we have to remove all of the upholsteries and carpets from the trunk. The next thing that I have to remove is this plastic trim. There are 4 clips here. I have to remove the trunk seal. I have to remove all the attachment parts of the left side upholstery. There are 2 clips here and here. And there is an extra clip that I have to remove. It's located here. There are 2 extra clips located here. This is the hidden bolt of the tail light. Now let's remove the right side carpet. There is a 12-volt socket here. I have to remove the emergency opening. There is a connector here. Let's remove the trunk upholstery. There is a clip here. I have to clean this mess. Let's clean the left side. Let's apply some detergent. But before removing the tail lights, I would like to show you something. This edge of the tail light is sitting lower than this edge. The trunk gate is slightly higher on the left side. On the right side, it's almost the same. This edge of the tail light is lower than this edge. I'll try to adjust this hinge. I'll try to align these gaps on the tail gate. I have to do a few markings on the latch. These are the markings that I've just made. And now I'll unscrew the bolts. Lower edge of the tail lights is aligned. The trunk hood sits properly on both sides. Okay, it's time to remove the tail lights. There is a connector here that I have to disconnect. There are 3 8mm nuts that I have to remove. There is one clip that I have to release. The tail light is removed. 3 more to go. What's inside? The reverse light bulb. And nothing else that we can change. It's the same on the left side. I have to remove the connector, unscrew the 3 nuts. I have to press the clip and the tail light is removed. On the inside of the trunk there is a hidden nut, which is why we removed the trims. We have to use 10mm socket, 2 nuts from the outside and 1 connector from inside. This is the connector. I have to clean this. Let's remove the hidden nut on the inside of the trunk. Let's remove the connector. 2 nuts on the outside. Let's remove the tail light. Some more dirt to clean. After we installed the rear bumper, now it's time to install Eurospec rear tail lights. So, let's begin. I'll begin with inner pieces of the tail lights. 3 nuts to install. It's time for the connector. And the right inner piece is installed. Left inner tail light. 3 nuts. The connector. Let's check the fitment. It looks okay. Right side outer piece. The inner nut. It's time for the connector. Let's check the gaps. The outer part needs to go out. It sits a bit lower. Okay. Now the gaps and everything is aligned perfectly. Left side tail light. 2 nuts from the outside. 1 nut from the inside. Let's check the fitment. Here is okay. Here the lower part sits inward. Now it looks perfect. All the gaps are aligned properly. Now it's time for the connector. That's interesting. Somebody was here before us. Let's install these 2 foamy pieces. Left side lining. To remove the first aid kit compartment, I have to install this part first. And now it's time to install the lining. That's interesting. I managed to remove this thing, but I'm not able to install it for some reason. It's very funny. I broke this clip. New clip was found. It's from Mercedes. It looks almost the same. I'll open this housing. Okay, great. Now it's attached properly. It's time for the lining. I have to align everything. Let's install the clips. I forgot something very important, to test the tail lights. You will see the tail lights operation before me. I have to check the footage. Low beam lights, hazard lights, left blinker, right blinker, stop lights, reverse lights. Are they working? Let's install the hook, the plastic trim. Let's install the left side lining. I have to attach the power socket and the clips. I have to align the lining with the seal. Emergency trunk opening cable. This plastic trim, some plastic rivets. Emergency trunk opener plastic trim, and the handle. It's actually glowing in green. Plastic trim. I have to reinstall the trunk seal. Four plastic clips. And the boot lid lining. The trunk locking button. BMW roadside assistance. Some more clips. Trunk clutch trim. Some more trims. Right side plastic trim cover. Left side plastic trim cover. And officially the rear end is now done.